What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here, and Pokemon Go has just received one of its biggest updates yet. Version 1.1.0 skipped 7 versions, and it now includes a memory optimization fix, a lot of animation fixes, and the footprints of nearby Pokemon feature has been removed completely because there was some bug with it and they just decided to axe it completely. Not sure if that's a good thing, but where does this leave us with the hack? So if we want to hack Pokemon Go, where does that leave us? Well, I have good news for you guys. In this video, I will show you how to hack Pokemon Go, bend it to your will on Mac and Windows computers. And the best part is this literally takes like 1 to 2 minutes. It is so fast. So I actually went and created a modified IPA with this hack already built in. So all you guys need to do is run Cydia Impactor on your computer, and you guys can have this up and running in literally just a couple minutes. So first off, I want to walk you through some of the features. This is the latest stable release. It includes a completely new interface. It's much more responsive. Definitely something you would want to use over the last version. So if you guys are still running an older version of Pokemon Go, I will walk you through the process of installing this. But for anyone that just wants to hack the Pokemon Go experience, be able to walk around anywhere, be able to level up faster, just be able to play the game from the comfort of your home, whatever your reason may be, maybe you're just lazy, maybe you can't go out, maybe it's shady out, you don't want to go out at night and walk and play this game, but that's up to you to decide. So the cool thing is, like, this is so well working now. It's the latest version. It has this new interface right here, so you can hide it just like that. And using this little feature right here, you can hide the menu entirely. With a triple click, it will reappear. So it's completely unobtrusive. It's a very nice feature to have. So what's new? Well, obviously there is tap to walk. So you guys can go ahead and click and have your character move around. Of course, there's a joystick for that as well, but it's for precise movement. He will not actually walk at 4 times speed using this feature. Also, you guys can find Pokemon nearby. So using the map feature, you guys can go ahead and find nearby Pokemon, and that is the awesome feature. It has PokeRadar built in, and when you guys do find a Pokemon, you can just click on that little icon right there, and it'll take you right to that Pokemon. So auto find basically built in. It also has a helper for helping you throw Pokeballs, get a cleaner shot. There's a lot in here. The map feature is probably #1, so you guys can go ahead and use it to walk anywhere you want, and your character will automatically walk there. And that's the best way to play this without getting soft banned. So the chances of that happening using this new version is very slim, as long as you use it properly. So no teleportation, just movement to the area you want to go to. And once you went to the area you want to go back home, all you guys need to do is click on the go home icon, and it will go to your current location, thus tricking the app into never knowing you traveled in the first place. So really good stuff, guys. This latest update is really awesome. And of course, there are some settings in here for enhanced throw. You can remove the joystick if you don't want that. And if you don't have the fake location enabled, it hides some of the menu elements. So not all of them will be there. And you know, I like to use that. It's pretty cool. All right, so a lot of great new features. The latest version of Pokemon Go. How do we hack it? It is so ridiculously simple. All right, so you can either have a Windows or Mac computer for this. It doesn't matter. I will link you guys down below to Cydia Impactor. So you guys want to go ahead and download your operating system right here. And there will be one more link for the Pokemon Go file itself, so you guys will be able to find that as well. Once you guys have these 2 files downloaded, all you need to do is open up Cydia Impactor. We'll extract all the files into a folder first, but go ahead and open it. Do not right click on it and run as administrator. You don't want to do that, just open. And you guys will get this. Now, yours might not look so tiny, but what you guys want to do on your iPhone is go ahead and delete the existing Pokemon Go, whatever application version you have. It will interfere with the process if you still have one on your device. So go ahead and take the PP Sideloader app. This is Pokemon Go 1.1.0, and man, I honestly forgot to show you guys that it was on that version, but I will in a second. So go ahead and drag this inside of here. And now you want to type in your Apple ID. So don't worry, this isn't being shared with Sarek. This is just going through Apple, so you don't need to worry about anything. All right, so after clicking enter, after typing in your passcode, it will go ahead and begin the process. And it will give you a warning that this will revoke any other certificates you may have had. That's totally cool. So let's go ahead and click OK. And I'm very surprised at how stable this application is. It has worked for me every single time on both Mac and Windows. So, you know, props to Sarek for creating it. So on your second page, you guys should see this application coming very soon. So it is still building it, but in a moment here, it should be there. So I'm actually amazed at how fast this is. The only negative to this process is it's a 7-day certificate. So you guys will need to repeat this every 7 days, but it's just like a 1-minute process. There's really nothing to be afraid of. It's either this or you guys jailbreak and then run this. And I highly recommend that version, of course, because you get the beta, you get to try all the newest, coolest features. And down below, I'll leave an annotation and in the description if you guys want to jailbreak and get a permanent version of this. But as far as I know, this will only last for 7 days before crashing, and you guys will need to go and redo this process every time. And it's not a big deal, but you know, it'd just be better to be jailbroken. All right, so on our device, we're gonna get this if we try and open it. So we wanna go ahead and trust that profile in general, device management, and your iCloud ID, you wanna trust that one. So there we go. We now have a working Pokemon Go version on 1.1.0. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the settings and show you that it is on that version indeed. So go ahead and allow it. And we're going to go and put our birth date in here. So I'm going to set it up, but we know it's already working because we have this M right here. And with this, we're going to get the full menu on the side. So super cool. Let me get signed in here. All right, and you can go ahead and enable notifications if you want. And now you guys are golden. So this latest version of the Pokemon Go hack is enabled on your device, and yeah, it should work perfectly. So latest stable release, of course, you're gonna have a good time. There will be very, very minimal crashing, and of course the new features, new animations, and memory issues have been resolved. So super cool. Oh, and guys, I completely forgot to show you, I am running the latest version of this application, so 0.31.0, and you'll notice it no longer has the footsteps, so it certainly is that version. Just want to confirm that with you. This version is completely hackable and still works. Guys, I do hope you enjoyed this guide. So a couple passing things I wanted to say before I wrap this video up. So again, the 7-day thing. In 7 days, you'll notice the app will crash, and that's totally normal. Go back to your computer and do the same thing. Drag the app in, plug your device in, and just sign in with your Apple ID again, and simple as that. If you guys want a permanent solution, of course, the solution is to jailbreak, but otherwise, I know a lot of people don't want to do that, so this is the way to go. So enjoy the Pokemon Go experience, guys. I hope you enjoyed this updated version of the tweak, and of course, the app update itself. So have a great day. Peace.